Hello friends, very good morning. Today I have selected only one stock and that is Indian Oil Corporation. In Indian Oil Corporation, my favorite pattern that was formed and I have traded as per the pattern structure. So let us discuss the reason behind selecting only this stock. So again, first reason that I always look is dominating pressure. Dominating pressure in this stock is very clearly it is a buying. So buyers are currently dominating this stock and they have tried a certain level, a certain price. See this price, this is I think around near about 133. 133 is the price that was tested multiple times by the buyers and they are not losing their control for the price making upper move. So this is the first time that buyers have tried. Second time they have tried. Third time they have tried. And this build up wide range build up, but kind of consolidation period was formed around the upper zone. So three strong reason. First reason, dominating pressure in this stock is clearly buying. Second is that a particular level was getting tested multiple times by the stock or the price of this stock, and this was actually you can say clearly first time, second time, third time. So on the fourth time, when the buildup was small buildup was created, I entered when the high of this these three candles, the previous three touch. So 132.85 was the high, and I have placed limit order on 132.95. So as soon as my order got executed, I have put the stop loss and still I am in this stock. So I will wait till 230 or my target is 135.45 or 35 max to max 45. So be above 135 I will exit from this stock. So this is all about today's this stock. One more stock I am watching, but most probably I will not take the trade in that because that stock is not moving or not behaving as per my analysis. So I'm waiting for a signal in that stock, and that is NMDC. So I'm looking to short that stock on 141.30. So that is actually these only two stocks I am actually watching today, and as these stocks are, uh, you can say that these two stocks are less liquid. That means there are huge value, huge volume in this stock. So sometimes you need to get out of these kind of stocks at the market price. So once the price will move 135, I will be exiting from this stock because there will be a liquidity crunch. Most of the time you target, you can see that price has reached that particular price level, but that price level actually the liquidity crunch because our quantity is small as compared to the big traders. So possibly there may not be execution of that particular order. So I am looking again to get executed my order above 135 in this stock, and another stock is one NMDC. So these two stocks today I am only watching. See how nice breakout came. If you zoom in this stock, this chart, you can clearly see this is not the three times, fourth time this particular price was getting tested. So very simple and uh, clean chart you can have, and on the basis of that you can trade or you can place or trade, and you can be a profitable trader. So simple chart. There is no other indicator over here. Simple. Starting of uptrend, first, second, third, and previously also this level was getting tested. Again, it has given an upward move. So just enter in this stock and enjoy the ride of price and book the profit. Okay friends, thank you. Keep watching. Please like, share and subscribe my video and channel if you find that my analysis is helping you to learn the price action, because I always try to do the things in very simple way so anyone can do. But yes, it has taken a lot of time from my side to come to here. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Keep trading. Bye.